Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonk's got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Singapore based crypto trading platform adds support for SHIB. ApeSwap lending protocol close to launch. India, RBI shares concerns about crypto hazards, apprehensive about crypto ads. Shiba Inu is 9,000 holders away from reaching 1 million SHIB investors milestone. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, so on Monday, one of Singapore's oldest crypto trading platforms rolled out of the red carpet for the members of the SHIB army. So are you all excited? Personally, I am following the Dojo Killer's growth. Let's have a look. CoinHako, a Singapore-based startup, was launched in 2014 with the goal of creating an easy and hassle-free way to access Bitcoin. It is available in two Southeast Asian crypto hubry markets, Singapore and Vietnam. It's available on the web and on mobile devices. The CoinHako team announced earlier today that SHIB would be added to their platform owing to popular demand. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency was introduced in CoinHako's blog post. Shiba Inu was developed anonymously in August 2020 by its inventor Ryoshi. The Shiba Inu, a Japanese hunting dog breed that inspired Dogecoin, is featured on the front of the dog-themed cryptocurrency. Users in Singapore will be able to trade SHIB utilizing the SHIB SGD and SHIB USD currencies, according to the statement. In addition to this, they'll also be able to exchange SHIB with other cryptocurrencies that are supported in their countries via the swap function, according to the blog post. So moving forward, we all know about the very renowned lending protocol, and ApeSwap is set to bring it real soon. For instance, ApeSwap held an AMA with its community recently to answer questions regarding the imminent launch of its lending protocol. ApeSwap has teamed with Ola Finance to bring the loan protocol to life, and the service will be available starting November 22nd at 10 p.m. UTC. On Sunday, Ola Finance appeared on ApeSwap's Reddit forum to answer questions posed by the ApeSwap community. During the AMA, it was verified that the loan protocol will support 8 assets when it launches. The following are the 8 assets that will be supported: Banana, BNB, ETH, BUSD, Cake, USDT, BTC, and USDC. It was also stated that users will be able to earn $120,000 in Banana awards throughout the protocol's 30-day testing period. ApeSwap is an important Ola partner, and it's our top priority to ensure that it achieves ApeSwap's objectives. Usability is our main objective, Ola Finance declared. ApeSwap and Ola Finance highlighted how they will collaborate during the AMA. Ola Finance is a loan as a service project that assists in the creation, maintenance, and consulting of a lending network for various projects, ApeSwap explained. We're launching a network specific for ApeSwap where the core team and eventually governance makes the final choice on which markets and configurations are added. We've been working with the team to optimize the UI for the optimal user experience, and we'll be seeking community feedback once it's live. Moreover, India and their stand on crypto has been in the news recently. People are quite excited about how will the governmental approach for crypto go. Well, it's one of the only 2 things which excite me nowadays. The first one is obviously Spider-Man 3. Anyways, let's not go off topic and work on our inscription and headline being: in India, banks have started educating cryptocurrency investors about the market risks. How? By sending cold emails to customers who have made cryptocurrency investments. Why? They did it because the Reserve Bank of India told them to. One of the bank's executives, according to the Economic Times, stated, "The Reserve Bank of India's admonition to banks is to be very careful. We won't be establishing any accounts or authorizing any transactions." It could lead to a large number of inexperienced investors pouring money into a market that is notoriously volatile. Not surprised, the increase in crypto-related commercials sparked a lot of interest not only in India but all over the world. These commercials emphasize high return rates which appeal to investors who are unfamiliar with the crypto world. Shaktikanta Das, the governor of the Reserve Bank of India, had previously called for a blanket ban on cryptocurrencies. He believes it poses a significant threat to the country's financial stability. Nonetheless, RBI and its current and previous executives maintain a separate narrative about the token, regardless what the matter of the government of the United States has to say. Pro-cryptocurrency groups, on the other hand, began conversations with the government in the hopes of assisting them in developing regulations that would benefit the economy while also protecting investors. However, the ambiguity in the crypto world could be detrimental in the future. The outcome of the upcoming parliament session will be crucial in determining the future of cryptocurrencies in this region. So moving forward, the meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu is currently experiencing severe volatility, which appears to be influencing the amount of people who own the cryptocurrency following its recent rapid surge to record highs. According to the most recent data, the decentralized coin is now just 9,000 holders away from achieving 1 million unique addresses with 991,000 as of November 2022. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. After adding 80,000 new holders in less than a week, it was just 3 weeks ago. Surprisingly, for the first time since October 8, 2021, the number of SHIB holders fell for a brief period on November 19. The combined ERC20 holdings of the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets on the network now account for 18% of Shiba Inu. According to Whale Stats, Shiba Inu coins formerly accounted for more than 22% of all holdings on large wallets, indicating a decline of about 4%. According to CoinMarketCap, the token competitor to Dogecoin is currently trading at $0.00004455, down 2.2% in the last 24 hours and barely 17.47% in the previous week, with a market capitalization of $34.8 billion. Given that the Shiba Inu has already had a robust rally session this year, investors are faced with a bevy of temptations, with SHIB becoming appealing only when positive indicators are present in the market. Perhaps the move will serve as a reminder of the selling pressure being exerted by SHIB investors looking to cash out before the token plummets even more. However, with the number of new holders approaching 1 million and the possibility of the token being listed on Robinhood and Kraken, the digital asset could see another spike. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and see you in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.